What is up, guys? Welcome back to Jack Stand Builds. Welcome if you're new. Check this thing out. We got a C6 ZR1 here in the shop today. This thing has 13,000 miles, original miles, actual freaking collector car. What we're doing on it today is a monster clutch. Let me show y'all the clutch that's about to go into this thing. And let me show y'all the odometer that says 13,000 miles. Has never been rolled back, nothing. Check this thing out. ZR1 LS9 supercharged on 4-star D5 fronts, 4-star D5 beadlock rears. Look at this thing. Beautiful car. Get in here. ZR1. Got our GM performance car right here. Let me start this thing up. Listen to that. That power, baby. Man, that stock LS9 cam sounds good. This thing sounds good. All right, let me show you all the clutch. Here's our monster clutch. Got the Monster. This is like a 1200 horsepower rated clutch. I believe this is a triple disc. And then we got our got all of our parts here. So this thing is gonna be real nice. So I'm gonna start by getting this thing up on jack stands, getting the front wheels up, getting the whole rear end picked up, because I've got to pull this whole rear cradle up out of here to be able to pull the torque tube out and service that clutch. All right, folks, so we're gonna start under the hood here. We're gonna start by removing spark plug wires, removing spark plugs, taking these headers out. I've already started removing them. Got the spark plugs loose on this side. Once I get those out, I'm gonna loosen the headers, let them fall down a little bit so I can loosen them up off the pipes. All right, folks, so we're up under here now. And we're currently loosening up the headers from the exhaust. I've got 2 of them out. I just gotta take these 2 out. And then pull the rest of this exhaust out here and drop the headers down. So we got our headers loose, and now what we're gonna do is pull the tray off here so that we can get to the torque tube bolts and whatnot. Basically, that I loosened the headers up enough so that I can at least get to these bolts on the bell housing here so we can pull it off. So I'm gonna pull this tray off here, and we'll keep pulling stuff. So I got the pan up out of here. I have mi hermano Jose up in here. We're gonna get this thing up out of here. So we're gonna drop the diff, pull these lines off, get the torque tube up out of here so we can pull this clutch out. So first thing we're gonna do is pull the rear wheels off, and we're gonna start dropping that thing down. All right, so we got our wheels off now. Looking at these beautiful brakes. About to drop this cradle out of here. Bunch of work, get this cradle up out here. No big deal here at Jack Stand Builds, though. It is raining cats and dogs outside also. Wish I had better lighting in here, but it is currently pouring. A little update here. Got the differential here dropped down. Got it scooted back a little bit here. All right, got our clutch out here. This is our factory clutch. Got about 13,000 miles worth of wear here. She has been getting toasty, not gonna lie. I guess all 13,000 she's been raced. Some toastiness on here for sure. Hopefully we eliminate that with our monster stuff. But yeah, honestly, this thing didn't look too bad. Looks like she's been clutch dropped a few times. But all right, let me get the new pilot bearing up into the crank. I'm gonna slide hammer that old one out, put the new one in, and we'll start throwing her back together. Here's our new pilot bearing here. Rear main seal looks pretty dry, just has clutch material all over it. I'm gonna brake clean it all down and get our new flywheel up in here. Here we go. Got our new flywheel on. Got the clutch in, about to bolt it up. Got it all lined up here. Just wanted to show y'all. So I'm about to put the plate on here. Yeah, looks like she's gonna be a good clutch. All right, folks, pretty much got everything buttoned up now under there. I just got to get our wheels back on here, and we should be pretty much ready to go to start bleeding that clutch. All right, guys, so there we have it. Got the vet here, got the clutch all installed. Get in here, I'll fire this thing up, show you what we got going on under the hood. Check engine lights, nothing. I did have a code come on for the throttle body. It currently has a Nick Williams 103 on it, but went ahead and replaced that. It had the black version on it when it came to me. Now it's got the silver version. But other than that, this is our new bleeder. Got it ran up here, tucked out of the way so that it's easy to bleed if it ever needs to be serviced again. Pretty much everything back to stock, guys. Nothing left, you know, unbolted or anything. She's ready to go, guys. Man, I love the sound of that LS9 cam. Golly. Let me give y'all a couple blips. But yeah, guys, other than that, she's pretty much done. Got some other builds I'm trying to work on up at the shop right now. Got this Tahoe, I just put a 6.0 and a 480E in. That truck I'm working on, and I've got quite a few other things to do. So it's pretty hard for me to drive this thing while I'm recording, but it does go through all the gears great. And man, this thing rips, just even at half throttle, man. This thing just lights it up. So anyways, thank you all for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at JackStanBuilds. Like and subscribe for more content. I know y'all like that G Buddy I just put out. So if y'all like this one, make sure to show me some love. I'll see y'all later. Peace.